Hello, friends. It's great to be back with you again. Let us see what Samartha Ramdas Swami has said in his 119th shloka. अजामेळ पापी तया अंत आला कृपाळूपणे तो जनी मुक्त केला अनाथासी आधार हा चक्रपाणी नुपेक्षी कदा देव भक्ताभिमानी. The meaning of this shloka is Ajamel lived in a sinful life till the end, but God helped him with his divine compassions and liberated him. God showers his love to all those who have no one to take care of them. God never neglects the call from his true devotees. Here is the explanation. Samartha Ramdas Swami gives the example of Ajamela again here, which he referred in the shloka number 95 earlier. Samartha Ramdas Swami explains the importance and benefits of reciting Lord Rama's name knowingly or unknowingly, purposely with devotion, as well as when done it just as a daily routine due to some other reason. We should be clear here that Samartha Ramdas Swami is not suggesting that one should do sins and then recite God's name to remove those sins. He has been telling us throughout these shlokas that we should live life on the path of righteousness and follow the Dharma. Ajamela was a very talented person, but towards the end of his life he drifted and lust took over him. He had 10 sons, and the youngest one was named Narayana, which is the name of Lord Vishnu. Narayana was the dearest son of Ajamel. When Ajamel was at the end of his journey in his life, he became very sick. At that time, he wanted his dearest son to be with him all the time. So he used to keep calling him numerous times in the day by calling his name Narayana. This went on for months. When his time came and the messengers of death god came to snatch him, they were prevented to do so by Lord Vishnu because of the continuous chanting of his name by Ajamel. Thus, Ajamel achieved salvation. This may be one of the reasons why most of the names of people in India are the names of gods and goddesses. There are famous stotras like Vishnu Sahasranama, which means 1000 names of Lord Vishnu, and Lakshmi Sahasranama, which means 1000 names of Goddess Lakshmi. These give multiple options for the names of boys and girls to be one of these thousands names. This tradition is being followed for multiple centuries in India. Automatically, the parents, as well as those who are in the family and friends circle, recite the name of God without even realizing it in their day to day life, thus adding credits to their devotional bank account multiple times every day. God showers His love to all those who have no one to take care of them. So we should never feel that we do not have anybody to look forward to or to ask for help when we really need it. God never neglects the call from His true devotees. Friends, if you like this explanation, feel free to provide your comments and do share and subscribe to the channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. Till the next sloka, जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ।